The Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to include 3 NEM chips, with different models featuring either the Exynos 2500 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on the region. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, set to be unveiled in October 2024, could enable the Galaxy S25 Ultra to surpass the iPhone 16 Pro Max in performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip globally, while the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus may come with either the Exynos 2500 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on the region. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 recently appeared in the Geekbench database for the first time, and it seems poised to help the Galaxy S25 Ultra outperform the iPhone 16 Pro Max in terms of performance. As shown in the image, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 achieved a score of 2,884 points in the single-core test and 8,840 points in the multi-core test on Geekbench 6 when paired with 12 gigs of RAM. These results are comparable to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which scores around 2,900 points in the single-core test and 7,237 points in the multi-core test. Yesterday, Samsung released its Q2 earnings report and held an earnings call where company executives confirmed the existence of the Exynos 2500. They also discussed upgrades for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. We're planning top-of-the-line upgrades for the camera and display specs of the S25, areas where we've been leading. Additionally, we're preparing industry-best application processors and memory to enhance artificial intelligence performance and deliver an overall premium experience. Unfortunately, Arajo didn't specify whether these upgrades apply to the entire Galaxy S25 series or just the Ultra model. Rumors indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature a 50-megapixel 3x camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, upgrades from the 10-megapixel and 12-megapixel cameras on the S24 Ultra. These improvements would better complement the new 50-megapixel 5x periscope camera. However, there are rumors that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will not receive similar upgrades. Regarding application processors, some Galaxy S25 units will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and if Samsung's Foundry can improve yields sufficiently, others may include the Exynos 2500. Additionally, the S25 Ultra is expected to come with 16 gigs of RAM. The smaller Galaxy S25 might feature a larger 6.36 display compared to the 6.2 and 6.1 screens on the previous 2 generations. Beyond this, there haven't been many details about the displays. Hopefully, the Standard and Plus models will also benefit from the S24 Ultra's Gorilla Glass armor, which significantly reduces reflections. Samsung is set to introduce a groundbreaking design change with its next flagship phone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected in 2025. Since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung has been striving for a super square, slim design for their flagship models. They achieved this with the S24 Ultra, which, while aesthetically pleasing, is not the most comfortable Ultra flagship phone on the market. According to the renowned Samsung leakster, Ice Universe, it is confirmed that the S25 Ultra will feature a much more rounded design, similar to the Galaxy Note 7. Despite the Note 7's infamous battery issues, its comfortable and well-designed form factor was highly praised. The S25 Ultra will bring back this spirit with its rounded design, making it more user-friendly while maintaining the design language of the S24 Ultra. What's truly record-breaking about this design is its thickness. Ice Universe reports that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a body thickness of just 8.4 millimeters, the thinnest for any Samsung Ultra model. For comparison, the S24 Ultra is 8.6 millimeters thick. Impressively, the S25 Ultra will still include a built-in S Pen despite this thin design. In addition to design changes, there's another major rumor regarding the S25 series. Instead of using Qualcomm or Exynos chips, Samsung might implement MediaTek chips for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. This move is due to the anticipated price hike for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. Samsung is considering MediaTek chips as a backup if there are production issues with their Exynos 2500 chips. MediaTek's flagship chips are competitive with Qualcomm's and outperform Samsung's Exynos chips. However, the S25 Ultra will exclusively feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Furthermore, the S25 Ultra will see 2 major camera upgrades, a new 3x 50-megapixel telephoto lens and a much-anticipated ultra-wide-angle lens with a 50-megapixel resolution. This exciting news sets high expectations for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. What are your thoughts on these changes? Let me know in the comments below. Peace out.